Hi everyone, welcome back to channel, and in this video I'm going to unbox my new bank account in UAE. I got courier from the Aramex and बताता हूँ कि क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं, which all documents required to open a bank account in UAE. So first of all, you should have a valid Emirates ID which validity at least 6 months, and then second is valid resident visa or a work visa or any kind of visa, okay. And then third thing, the UAE pass from where you will authorize your bank to access your Emirates ID, and the resident visa. So only three things required to open a bank account in UAE. Some people are using the passport also, but rarely. I mean, there is some different kind of case which having a long-term entry permit visa. So this is the basic Emirates ID, and this. So let's unbox this. I open bank account AD Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. So let's open that. Yeah. So this is from ADIB, the address, and this is a debit card of bank account. Okay, let me open it again. Yeah, so this is a debit card of bank account. Okay, my name is mentioned, card number and everything. I will activate that. And this is the letter where IBAN number and account number, and this is the checkbook I got from bank. The checkbook from the ADIB. I can use the checkbook. Okay, so thank you guys. This is the my second bank account in Dubai, UAE. Thank you.